So I still have to make it a habit of sending at least one email per day to an agency, but yeah, so far these are all the agencies that I tried. And one of them has approved me as their official translator. They still haven't sent me any job, but yeah, let's see if they're going to send me anything. So I also wanted to share you my translation diary, as I'm calling it, and it's just me basically calculating how many words I've translated so far. Most of my projects have been for World History Encyclopedia, and because I really like their website. It's about history. I've been translating a lot of history articles lately. And no, I'm not being paid to translate those articles. I'm just doing this for fun, so I can have a better idea of how much I'd actually be earning if these were paid jobs.